Alright guys, welcome back. I just wanted to show you how to go ahead and plant your ginger. So I have my ginger in my container like this, covered it up. You saw my other video. Now you leave it in for a couple days. If you don't want to leave it in, that's fine. You can also take it back out. And then I have 2 pots here. Potting soil, I use Miracle-Gro. Just my preference. I like Miracle-Gro. It's got its fertilizer already inside. And one important thing about planting ginger is the soil. So I got great soil, and make sure you give it water. Right, so right now the soil is dry. Take my nodes, and the only thing you want to do is you want to move this soil to the side. You're only going to go down about maybe ½ an inch. You just place your ginger down here like this. All right, place the ginger down, and you want to cover it up a little bit. All right, make sure it's down about ½ an inch. You notice how I planted the ginger? I planted the ginger laying down like this, not up, not sideways, laying down, because the roots grow out like this, so the rhizome grows out like this. All right, so that's really important. So next step, give your ginger a little water, and water them down a little bit. About 5 to 7 days, you're going to see them sprout. Now keep this in a nice sunny location. It gets a little bit sun, a little bit shade, and make sure that he is covered. Make sure that this doesn't dry out, okay guys? It's really important. If he dries out, he ain't gonna grow. So, yep, there you go. Check the consistency. The soil for ginger should be allowed to hold moisture, but it should be allowed to drain. It should be able to drain. So over here, since it's really hot, I do like to use one of these pots, little plate. See how the water spilled all down? So I can put one of these plates on. Then when I add water, this again, it'll just drain right down in there, and my soil won't dry out that fast. That's it. All right guys, you hit the like button. If you want to see more of my content, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Get notified every time I put up some content right on new videos. Take care.